Banks can spend over $500 million a year managing anti-money laundering and know your customer processes. Failure to comply can result in government fines and sanctions, as well as reputational damage. These processes are highly complex, spanning billions of transactions across multiple systems, teams, and institutions. This makes them slow and prone to errors. To move faster and mitigate risks, banks need a new system of work that's connected, adaptive, and secure. With the Automation Success Platform, financial institutions can responsibly put AI to work and streamline the fraud investigation process from days to minutes. New to the Automation Success Platform is Automation Copilot, powered by generative AI. This is your on-demand automation assistant that can be embedded into any business application, accelerating your teams and their flow of work. Anytime suspicious activity is detected, an agent will launch the AML Activity Review automation, which puts Automation Copilot into action. This rapidly collects large amounts of transaction and account data from across multiple systems. This includes Know Your Customer data from your CRM, LexisNexis, and even the NASDAQ. Google's generative AI model, integrated into the Automation Success Platform, is able to synthesize this data and generate a risk score within seconds. Automation Copilot then presents the full activity summary for the analysts to review. They don't even have to leave the application they're in. The analyst can create final, formatted, suspicious activity reports with the click of a button, thanks to generative AI. Automation Copilot can take action when risk is detected, like closing an account or freezing funds. Risk is mitigated, reporting requirements are met, and your analysts are happier and more productive. This is just one example of what's possible when you put AI to work on the Automation Success Platform. To get started, go to automationanywhere.com.